Alright guys, here we are with question 8, and again we're checking to see if it is in the form which is a general form of a quadratic. Alright, don't mind this, I'm just, because there are two b's, I just write one a little bit smaller. Alright, so again this normally would be represent x's, but they put a different letter, so we just put in that there. Alright, so we can clearly say that the value of a is 2, the value of b is positive 17, and the value of c is 21. Again, we're focusing on b, which is 17, and ac, which means 2 times 21, which is in fact 42. Now we're looking at the factors of 42. Alright, 1 times 42 is 42, 2 times 21 is 42, and 3 times 14 is 42, and 6 times 7. So all of these, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 20, and 42 are all factors of 42, and I've written them this way for us to help us easily identify the two. So remember, it's all about breaking up the middle piece, so we can end up with 4 terms, so we can factorize by grouping and factorize this quadratic expression here. So the big question is this: which two numbers, and the fact that they're all positive helps us a lot, all right? It makes life a lot easier. Now, which two numbers when added together gives us positive 17, and when we multiply them we get positive 42, and that would be positive 3 and positive 14, because when you add positive 3 and 14 you're going to get 17, and when you multiply 3 by 14 you're going to get 42. So I'm going to break that up into those two pieces. So 2b squared plus 3b plus 14b plus 21, and then we can go ahead and factorize by grouping. So look at these terms. B is common in the term, and you would have 2b plus 3. And we look at these terms here, you would say that positive 7 is common, so you'd have 2b plus 3 as well. So the final answer would be, in one bracket you have b plus 7, and in the other bracket you're going to have 2b plus 3. And that would be the answer to question 8. Alright, let's take a look at the final question now. Question 9. Just take a look at this. Again, we're checking to see if it's in the general form. Checking to see if it's in the general form. And a here is 5, b here is minus 1, and c here is negative 18. So b is minus 1, and ac means 5 times negative 18, which is negative 90. Factors: 1 times 90 is 90, 2 times 45 is 90, 3 times 30 is 90, 5 times 18 is 90, 6 times 15 is 90, and 9 times 10 is 90. So all of those are factors of 90. So the question is, which two numbers when added together gives you negative 1, and when you multiply those same two numbers you get negative 90? That looks like negative 10 and positive 9. So we're going to go ahead and rewrite the expression, except that we're not going to put minus 1p, we're going to put positive 9p minus 10p, or if you put minus 10p plus 9p, you're going to get the same result. So we're going to have here 5p minus 10p plus 9p. That is what's going to give us a negative 1p minus 18. Alright, so we're factorizing by grouping now. So look at these two terms. What's common in those two terms? I'm sorry, this is 5p squared. What's common in these two terms would be 5p. And then what we'd have in bracket is p minus 2. Why? Because 5p times p is 5p squared. 5p times minus 2 is minus 10p. And of course, in these two terms, positive 9 in bracket, p minus 2, and final answer would be in one bracket 5p plus 9, and in the other bracket p minus 2. So that will be the answer to question number 9, and here concludes the solution to all our questions. So I hope you guys found this video insightful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.